Other news tonight, 3 Republican senators voted down the so-called skinny repeal bill early this morning. They effectively killed the latest GOP plan to repeal Obamacare. We want to welcome you into News Channel 11 at 5 o'clock. I'm Josh Smith.
And I'm Sarah Diamond. It was a tough defeat for Republicans, with Senator John McCain surprising many with his no vote. After weeks of trying to get a consensus on a comprehensive plan, Senate Republican leadership ultimately decided the best way to keep the ball rolling was to try to get that skinny bill passed through the Senate. House Speaker Paul Ryan said he was disappointed and frustrated by the Senate vote, but Republicans should not give up.
Well, meanwhile, Tennessee Governor Bill Haslam sharing his thoughts today about that early morning vote. He was actually in the Tri-Cities today speaking about, of all things, the agriculture industry. But News Channel 11's Carissa Winstead wanted to talk to him about health care. She caught up with him and got his reaction, finding out what he believes is next for health care in Tennessee.
Earlier this year, we told you some lawmakers here in Tennessee were hoping to make this year the year to expand Medicaid coverage in the state. But after last night's vote, Governor Haslam says he's not sure where to go from here. After Washington's latest attempt to repeal Obamacare failed Thursday night, Tennessee Governor Bill Haslam says he's unclear of the future.
I don't know what happens next. I don't know that anybody knows what happens next.
Governor Haslam has been trying to expand Medicaid in the state, but has been unsuccessful in his efforts. Haslam says he hopes moving forward, lawmakers will consider one thing.
I would hope that Washington would focus on the cost of health care. I think Republicans and Democrats can all agree that it's taking up too much family income, businesses' income. It definitely takes too much of the state's revenue goes toward health care.
I asked Governor Haslam if he plans to push Medicaid expansion under Obamacare again.
I think we're going to wait and see what happens out of the whole discussion in Washington. Obviously, the whole Affordable Care Act is up for debate right now. And nobody really knows what's going to happen out there. So I think it's a little quick for us to say in Tennessee what we're going to do.
Lieutenant Governor Randy McNally says Tennessee cannot move forward until a decision is made at the nation's capital.
Whatever they do will affect us, either for the good or for the bad.
We're tied to them. I mean, Medicaid is a federal program that the state implements, and we pay about a third of the cost of it. They make the rules, they pay 2/3 of the cost, and we pay a third. So we're very anxious to see what gets settled out of that.
In Jonesboro, Carissa Winstead, News Channel 11, in your corner.